A survival knife is a critical tool for many different scenarios. It is probably best known for its ability to adapt to any situation you use it for. Whether that be indoor or outdoor activities, a survival knife can be considered small, some of the best ones being 3 to 4 inches long. As a result, this makes it easy to carry around, compared to other tools that can be used for its purpose. Also, there are different types of blades depending on your needs. Some people also call it a pocket knife. Finding a great self-defense weapon and understanding how to use it, it is essential. Sometimes we may be caught up in situations where we may need help, but we only have ourselves. Survival knives can be used to slow down or fend off an aggressor. If you get into an accident and the doors are stuck, you can use the knife to break windows and free yourself. Most self-defense classes educate people on how to use their pocket knives during emergencies. We all have been frustrated when we cannot open a package, box, or a can of food that excites us. Using your fingernails instead of the knife can result in minor accidents. Using a survival knife makes unwrapping easy, aims all the anxiety of what to expect. During camps, the blades make it easy to open canned food. As we grew up, carrying a survival knife for camping was crucial. Also, it helped execute various activities ranging from opening food cans, digging pole holes to set up a fire. The blade can also be used during food preparation. Ensure you have one to avoid ruining the fun with all the frustrations. A pocket knife comes in handy for first aid when you are outdoors. When pricked by a thorn and it needs to be removed, when cutting bandages, conducting a minor operation, or freeing hostages, the knife will come in handy. Ensure that you have at least one knife in your first aid kit every time you are heading out. It helps minimize and contain the risk of a minor injury getting worse. Clean and sterilize the knife once you have used it on a wound to avoid infections the next time you will be using it. Certainly, every fisher needs to have a knife if he or she expects to catch any fish. If you might need to cut the line or remove hooks, a survival knife will not only cater for the two, but in case you feel hungry by the lakeside, you can slice the fish and fix your meal. As a result, a pocket knife comes in handy in several situations. Ensure that look out for the best suppliers that are licensed. The survival knife is not meant for violence unless it is self-defense. Get some self-defense lessons to assist in the proper utilization of the tool without hurting yourself. So instructors might recommend an excellent survival knife. Furthermore, various states have federal laws to ensure that such tools do not cause any harm to a third party. Thanks for watching. Until next time.